All right, so now flying through the rest between 6 and 27. At number 6, I'm going with the Indianapolis Colts, who are 4-1. At number 7, I'm going with the Buffalo Bills, who are 4-1. At number 8, I'm going with the San Francisco 49ers, who are 4-1. At number 9, I'm going with the Los Angeles Rams, who are 3-2. At number 10, I'm going with the Green Bay Packers, who are 2-1-1. At number 11, I'm going with the Washington Commanders, who are 3-2. At number 12, I'm going with the New England Patriots, who are 3-2. At number 13, I'm going with the Kansas City Chiefs, who are 2-3. At number 14, I'm going with the Houston Texans, who are 2-3. At number 15, I'm going with the Seattle Seahawks, who are 3-2. At number 16, I'm going with the Pittsburgh Steelers, who are 3-1. At number 17, I'm going with the Los Angeles Chargers, who are 3-2. At number 18, I'm going with the Atlanta Falcons, who are 2-2. At number 19, I'm going with the Minnesota Vikings, who are 3-2. At number 20, I'm going with the Chicago Bears, who are 2-2. At number 21, I'm going with the Dallas Cowboys, who are 2-1. At number 22, I'm going with the Arizona Cardinals, who are 2-3. At number 23, I'm going with the Cleveland Browns, who are 1-4. At number 24, I'm going with the Carolina Panthers, who are 2-3. At number 25, I'm going with the Cincinnati Bengals, who are 2-3. At number 26, I'm going with the New Orleans Saints, who are 1-4. At number 27, I'm going with the New York Giants, who are 1-4.